in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to distribute and combine like terms. Okay, how you will even know that you have to distribute and possibly combine like terms is whenever you see an expression where you see a number outside of parentheses and some other stuff around it. All right, so looking at this first example, I have a 6 outside the parentheses. So I'm going to multiply 6 times x to give me 6x. And then I'm going to multiply 6 times 2 to give me 12. What I will not do is multiply 6 times 4. You want to know why? Because the 4 is not inside the parentheses. So I will bring that 4 straight down. Okay, now I'm going to look and see, are there any like terms that I can combine? I surely can. I can add the 12 and the 4 together because they're both strictly numbers. So 12 plus 4 will give me 16. And then I'll bring my 6x straight down. And then looking at this expression, there aren't any other like terms that I can combine. So therefore, I'm done. This is my final answer. Let's look at another example. As you can see, it says 10 plus 2 times 3x minus 5. The only number that's exactly right in front of the parentheses is the 2, not the 10. So I'm going to distribute the 2 to everything inside the parentheses. 2 times 3x will give me 6x. 2 times negative 5, take the sign in front of the number, will give me negative 10. And then I'll bring down my plus sign and my 10. Now I'm going to ask myself, are there any like terms that I can combine? I surely can. I can add the 10 and the negative 10 to each other. Or another way to look at it is 10 minus 10. And either way, I'm going to get 0. So technically, they cancel each other out. So therefore, my final answer will just be 6x. Let's look at this example. 11 minus 5 times x minus 1. Same thing. The only thing in front of the parentheses is the 5 that you see. But you have to take the sign in front of the number. So technically, I'm looking at negative 5 that I'm multiplying to everything inside the parentheses. Negative 5 times x gives me negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 1 gives me positive 5. And then I'll just bring down my 11. You notice I didn't bring any other signs after the 11 because that negative sign in front of the 5 is technically like your subtraction sign. So now I'm going to ask myself, are there any like terms I can combine? Yep. I can add the 11 and the 5 together. That will give me 16. And then I'll bring down my negative 5x in front. And looking at this final example, I'll go ahead and distribute my negative 8 times negative 4, which gives me positive 32x. And negative 8 times 3, which gives me negative 24. Bring down my negative 7. And then I ask myself, are there any like terms I can combine? Yep, the negative 24 and the negative 7. When I add negative 24 plus negative 7, it gives me negative 31. And then bring down your 32x. And that's it.